Good morning. Welcome back, everybody. Got a beautiful Saturday out here. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning here, quarter after. It's chilly. It's about 50 degrees out there. Let's see. Yeah, 50. You know, I think the woman's out here working out. Check on the grounds. Gotta burn some wood today. This little wood pile, we'll get this burned out of here. And what else? I mowed the yard yesterday. I'll have to do that. I do got a weed eating job to do. That's something we could do today. That's a good boy. Well, how'd your workout feel today?
Felt good. I feel strong.
Do you?
I feel harder. Pumped up.
1 to 10, what was your intensity level today?
6 or 7.
Okay. You're keeping it up there pretty good, but not killing yourself.
Yeah, I don't.
You don't want to pull a muscle and
That's the last thing I need.
So. How long have you been working out now?
About 2 weeks.
Okay. How do you feel in general compared to like a month ago?
I have a little more energy.
Well, body aches and pains and things like that. Your daily, the normal things you typically experience.
They're starting to get a little better, but I'm just like stiff when I get up in the morning. So it's like.
Are you more stiff than you used to be?
Yeah.
Are you pulling out some chicken for later?
Yeah.
Do some barbecue chicken today?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, you can own a freezer at an off-grid cabin. You can have an air compressor at an off-grid cabin. You can have an 86-gallon water tank with a 220-volt well pump in an off-grid cabin. And it will all work just fine if you set it up right. Got a little bonfire going here. Burn off some shit in the yard. This reminds me of that JFK everlasting light, whatever. Kind of the way it looks there, like that. I've never actually seen that thing in person, so I don't know. We got a bright sunny day. Look how pretty Mama Bear is looking. Hot as ever, ain't she?
Well, thank you.
Making good light on the panels. Yep. Got the yard all mowed up. We got a little project in the garage to take care of. Dogs are occupied. Got them all boned up. How much propane we got left? It was just below 40 last I looked. Yep. 38. Same thing on this one?
Yeah, can't really tell.
Yeah, 35, 36, something like that. Yep, so those are 120 gallons each for a total of 240 gallons of propane. It runs the generator, the dryer, the stove, heaters upstairs if we're using those, which is rare. Cooking stove, hot water. So far, when we get it filled last, end of March. Yeah. So we've used about 60% of that in like, I don't know, third month or ninth, so 6 months. So, I don't know. Not quite 2 fills a year. Yeah. Yep, so, all right, we gotta handle some business here. But unfortunately, I can't show you this, so show you the final product. Hang tight. Whew. Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. A beautiful Sunday morning here. Sun's just about to come up. And we got a special day here. We've got a local subscriber of mine who needs a favor and some car work. So they're going to come up here to the cabin today, and we're going to set them up with a brake job. And maybe they'll get their own episode. So we'll get to meet Mr. Burkholder, introduce him to the channel, all of you. do a little brake work for the guy, and enjoy the last day off here off grid this week. Off doing sales and business calls all week this week. Last cup of coffee here before I get a workout in. Gonna be a nice sunny day here today, for the most part. It's supposed to cloud up a little later. It's gonna be kind of chilly, so we'll see. Good boy. Where's your ball? Get a ball. Where's your ball? Up. Thank you. Good boy. Bring here. Up, up. Thank you. This one's going for the hills. Next one's going for the hills. Like Babe Ruth, we're calling this one. There it goes. To the moon, Alice. And it is. Listen. Just hit the ground. Come here, you freaky deek. Up. Good girl. Hey, welcome back. All right, we got Doug here, and we got a vehicle. So, Mr. Doug lives in town locally, and needs some front brakes done on somebody's car here, and just happen to have a couple tools and a few minutes here today, so I'm gonna leave you with Doug a moment. Okay. How the time goes past, all right. Yeah, that rotor's clean, both sides. Let me get a flashlight here. Pads are a little worn. Let's check some suspension parts while we're here a little bit. No play there. No play there. No play there. Nothing there. All looks tight. Well, there's your problem.
What's clunking?
There's your clunking. You have no bolts in your caliper.
What in the hell?
Huh. This car can't be driven. Not without bolts.
Yeah.
You want to get new bolts on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got a caliper just sitting on there.
That's messed up.
That's the clunking.
Okay.
Yep, the pads aren't even in that bad a shape.
That is.
So if you come look, them pads are in decent shape.
I just gotta find boots.
Yep, and you gotta seize, the slider's seized, or to unseize it. Okay, that's freed up a little bit. This slider's good. You need bolts. Somebody did not put the bolts back. Whoever did it last. It happens. Maybe I have. Maybe I have a couple bolts.
Yeah.
It's just the side you're hearing it from?
Yeah.
From what I see here,
Well, she got pads, so when they use
yeah, we'll put them on because these are like half life. And if you already got them, we're here.
Yeah, might as well. Okay.
Only catches is though we gotta get bolts first.
That's hopefully. Well, I didn't know. I don't hear it on the other side.
Yep. So let me check.
Just this side.
Let me let's do this. Let's take the other side apart. We'll take one of them bolts out, donate it to go searching, see if we can find a mate for it.
Okay.
Try pitching it right. That's an error. Fuck. So we just had a couple bolts missing out of our caliper here, so we're gonna make a phone call to AutoZone and see if we can get a couple bolts for this. And I shouldn't let it hang. We'll let that sit back on there. There we go. Okay. So we will be right back with you in just a minute. Hang tight.
Yeah, it's nice quiet out here. You can hear everything. Birds. Crickets.
All right, let's make sure we double check everything. New pads, new bolts, tight. Calipers on, we didn't crack lines loose, didn't take the rotor off. Should verify my other side here real quick. Didn't crack a line. This side's all done too. Okay. There you go.
Yep, you're good.
Y'all clear over there?
Yeah, go ahead.
Welcome to UncleDruncle's repair shop. And he's out of here. Bye, Doug. Bye, buddy. No, he's just test driving. I'll be right back. All right, I'll be right back with you. See how the test drive did in just a minute here. Hang tight. Hey, welcome back, guys. It's the next morning here. Had a late night, but we got everybody all fixed up, all set up and on their way, as you can see. Mama Bear out here doing her little workup, planning out her day. Fire going. And I took the day off. I am freaking whooped. I've been busy here for some days in a row, so just gonna do a little outro for you, wrap up my video from yesterday. Doug, appreciate you coming out and hanging out, man. Glad we were able to help you out, figure out what the problem there was. And it's supposed to be a little partly cloudy, sunny here today. I'm gonna try to not get into too much, to be honest with you. I just need a day off where I can sit around, do nothing, relax, recoup. I got a long day of outside sales coming up tomorrow, maybe Wednesday. We'll see. This week, some point, and got to work it around some other things we got going on. Hi, little buddy. Come here. Give me your ball. Thank you. So, on that note, not gonna drag this out any longer. Appreciate you guys coming and check out what we got going on, and hopefully we'll keep some more content coming here for you soon. And on that note, I'll catch you loose. See you next time. UncleDruncle out.